applications of data structures. There are many applications of data structure, and we have listed here some of them. Data structures play a vital role in organizing data within computers' memory. They are used in representing information within databases. Data structures extends to implementing algorithms for data search, enable the implementation of algorithms for data manipulation. Additionally, data structures support algorithms for data analysis. Furthermore, data structures facilitate algorithms for generating data, support algorithms for compressing and decompressing data. Moreover, data structures are used for implementing algorithms for encrypting and decrypting data. The versatility of data structures is highlighted by their role in building software capable of managing files and directories. Additionally, they contribute to the development of the software capable of rendering graphics. So, these are some of the applications of data structure. In the next video, we will discuss the algorithms.